Have you ever wondered where people move to when they come to Los Angeles? In today's video, I'm going to take you to an open house in El Sereno. This is Living in Nella with Victoria Munoz. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Victoria Munoz. I'm a Compass real estate agent. If you need help with selling your home or buying real estate in Northeast LA and adjacent San Gabriel Valley areas, you can always text, email, or call me. All right, so today's house of the day is located at 2945 Covina Street, LA 90032. It's a two-bedroom, two-bath home with 1,101 square feet of living space, and its listed price is $970,000. Today is January 7th, 2024, and there's an open house that I can't wait to show you. Before we go to the open house, really quick on a scale of 1 to 10, this is from Local Logic. This neighborhood is 7.6 car friendly, 6.0 pedestrian friendly, 4.4 transit friendly, 4.4 for cafes, 3.8 wellness, 7.8 for groceries, 5.6 restaurants, 5.0 for shopping. For nightlife, it gets a 1.4, park 7.2, quietness 7.4, vibrant 3.0, and for the high schools 6.4, and primary schools 7.6. So in El Sereno, there's a lot of single detached homes, and the remainder are large apartments and small apartment buildings. A majority of the housing growth in this part of LA took place before the 1960s. Okay, so we're coming up on Alhambra Avenue. As soon as we go to Alhambra Avenue, we're going to make a quick right on Covina Street, and you'll be able to see the neighborhood, and I'll drive around so you can get an idea of what the neighborhood looks like. All right, we made it. So this is Covina Street. Today's house of the day is 2945 Covina Street, LA 90032. I did notice a parking situation. There is limited parking. There are a lot of homes with driveways and garages, which is a good thing because you always need additional parking, especially if you have a large family with cars, or if you have guests that come over often. You want to make sure that they're close by and there's public street parking. So I did see two options to park, and I'm going to make this quick U-turn. I did notice somebody leaving, so I'm going to park right across the street from the open house. Okay, so we found a good parking space. Now we're going to cross the street. The address again is 2945 Covina Street, LA 90032. This house has really good curb appeal. It's located right in the corner. It's a fully remodeled home. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with 1,101 square feet of living space. Its listed price is $970,000 and it was built in 1951. This house is perfect for a single family or multiple family, somebody that maybe works from home or doesn't work from home. Remember, El Sereno is centrally located. It's in between downtown LA and San Gabriel Valley. If you like this home and would like to pursue and write an offer, if you're a buyer looking to move to Northeast Los Angeles, you can always email, text, or call me. My name is Victoria Munoz. I'm a Compass real estate agent. Our office is located in Pasadena, California. Thanks for stopping by, and this concludes our tour of Covina Street in El Sereno. Hope you like my videos. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel as I bring you video tours of homes available for sale and what it's like living in Northeast LA. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again at the next property tour.